Hi, welcome to Uncomfoodable with me, Katie. So I made my own homemade KitKat bars, or as I like to call them, Katie's kinda KitKat bars, homemade TM. I got the recipe from the Big Man's World. It's super simple, only has 5 ingredients. I'm sure it would have been good if I didn't take matters into my own hands and try and make my own KitKat recipe. Oh, it's already falling apart. Oh my god. So, I don't even know what to say. It just looks, not good. I mean, it tastes good, don't get me wrong, but I didn't use Chex Mix, I didn't have peanut butter, and I think I stirred the chocolate too long. And it's like the second batch just started to break down and like kind of curdle. The Chex Mix I think would have been better because they're thinner, they're hollow. Chunks of chocolate. I like crushed up Barbara's puffin cereal. Listen, it's good. It's chocolate, it's crunchy. Like the taste I couldn't mess up, but the actual putting it together, that's where I failed. It's like a toss between a Crunch bar and a Kit Kat bar. It's good. Super rich. And this has to go back into the freezer. It's already starting to melt and it came apart. There's just so many things that went wrong. It's edible. From what I just made, I'm still gonna go out and get regular Kit Kat bars. But hey, I made it, so that's cool. I'm gonna go, my hands are greasy, so, okay, bye. It's chocolate.